Welcome to our detailed comparison between two snow tire heavyweights, the Michelin X Ice Snow and the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5. Join us as we break down their performance in ice, snow, wet, and dry conditions, providing you with precise data to help you decide which tire suits your winter driving needs best. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin X Ice Snow set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with ice performance, where control and safety are paramount, the Michelin X Ice Snow stops at 0.04 meters shorter than the Hakkapeliitta R5, offering a slight advantage in ice braking. Conversely, in ice traction tests, the Hakkapeliitta R5 takes the lead by being 0.06 seconds quicker in acceleration from 5 to 20 kilometers per hour. In terms of ice handling, the X Ice Snow is quicker around the track, posting a lap time that's 0.58 seconds faster than the R5. It also scores 5 points higher in subjective handling, making it the preferred choice for those prioritizing maneuverability on ice. Switching to snow conditions, the Hakkapeliitta R5 excels, stopping 0.3 meters earlier than the X Ice Snow from a speed of 40 kilometers per hour to 5 kilometers per hour. It also shows superior traction, being 0.28 seconds faster in similar acceleration tests. These numbers reflect the R5's robust capability in snow, making it ideal for areas with heavy snowfall. In wet conditions, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 takes the lead in wet braking, stopping 0.38 meters earlier than the Michelin X Ice Snow. However, the X Ice Snow outperforms the R5 in the remaining wet performance aspects, being significantly faster in wet handling with lap times 1.65 seconds quicker than the R5. This indicates that, while the R5 excels in braking, the X Ice Snow provides better overall handling and reliability in slushy or rainy winter conditions. Regarding dry performance, both tires perform similarly, but the Hakkapeliitta R5 slightly outshines the X Ice Snow in subjective dry handling by a margin of 2 points, indicating a preference among drivers for its feel on dry roads. For noise and comfort, the R5 leads with 5% higher comfort ratings and slightly lower noise levels at 61.9 decibels compared to the X Ice Snow's 62.1 decibels. In rolling resistance, both tires are efficient, but the X Ice Snow is slightly better with a lower coefficient value of 7.25 versus the R5 value of 7.34. In summary, the Michelin X Ice Snow performs slightly better on ice handling and on wet surfaces. Meanwhile, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 excels in snow, dry, and comfort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.